Hi, I'm Matilda and I am a certified clinical aromatherapist. I am also a trainer for internationally accredited aromatherapy courses. So if you are interested in pursuing aromatherapy professionally or would like to deepen your knowledge in this area, do check out my link in the description down below to find out more information on the courses that I teach. This channel is set up to empower women in health and wealth. So if you are interested in the topics that I am sharing, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. Today, I'm going to share with you what are some of my essential oil recommendations for high blood pressure or hypertension. High blood pressure is a common condition in which the long-term force of the blood against your artery walls is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems such as heart disease. The narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure. Hypertension typically develops over the course of several years. Usually, you don't notice any symptoms, but even without symptoms, high blood pressure can cause damage to your blood vessels and organs, especially the brain, heart, eyes, and kidneys. Let us understand what are some of the causes of high blood pressure and what are some of the common symptoms of high blood pressure. Some of the common causes for high blood pressure are family history that's genetic, obesity, high sodium intake, high fat diet, high alcohol intake, insufficient physical activity, side effects of medication, and stress. While some of the symptoms could include headaches, shortness of breath, chest pain, dizziness, obstructive sleep apnea, adrenal gland tumors, thyroid problems, as well as kidney disease. If you like this video that you're watching, I would appreciate it greatly if you could smash the like button and share it with your friends. So why are essential oils effective in lowering blood pressure? Some essential oils have calming properties, while some essential oils have vasodilating properties, meaning they help widen the blood vessels, resulting from relaxation of smooth muscle cells within the vessel walls, hence reducing blood pressure. Some of my top choices for lowering blood pressure include lavender, ylang-ylang, bergamot, marjoram, and neroli essential oils. These essential oils are great for those of you who suffer from high blood pressure. But for those with low blood pressure, you may wish to avoid or use these essential oils sparingly. A study done in 2006 shows that lavender, ylang-ylang, and bergamot are effective in reducing blood pressure. Another study done in 2012 on aromatherapy's effect on hypertension supports this notion as well. The study used a blend of lavender, ylang-ylang, marjoram, and neroli essential oils. Now let's take a look at what makes lavender, ylang-ylang, bergamot, marjoram, and neroli suitable essential oils for those with high blood pressure. You may use these essential oils alone or in combination. The inhalation method will be most effective. You may either inhale the oils directly or diffuse them in a diffuser. Lavender essential oil has relaxing and sedative properties that may reduce stress and heart rate. Lavender oil can help calm and soothe the mind and body. This can help dilate blood vessels by eliminating stress, anxiety, fear, and tension, all of which can contribute to poor circulation. As mentioned earlier, in two separate studies done in 2006 and 2012, blends containing lavender show that inhaling lavender is effective in reducing blood pressure. For more uses and benefits of lavender, do check out my video on lavender essential oil after you have finished watching this video. Ylang-ylang essential oil has sedative and antidepressant properties and may help decrease levels of cortisol, known as a stress hormone, and thus lower blood pressure. As mentioned earlier, in two separate studies done in 2006 and 2012, blends containing ylang-ylang show that inhaling ylang-ylang is effective in reducing blood pressure. Bergamot essential oil gives off one of my favorite aromas. It has sedative and uplifting properties, which helps improve our mood and reduce stress levels. Hence, bergamot oil may lower heart rate and blood pressure. As mentioned earlier, a study done in 2006 concluded that inhaling a blend containing bergamot helps in reducing high blood pressure. Marjoram essential oil is a vasodilator and also has sedative properties. Hence, it may dilate blood vessels to lower high blood pressure. Marjoram is great for muscle aches and to promote deep sleep as well. Derived from blossoms of the bitter orange tree, neroli essential oil has a rich floral scent with citrusy overtones and is often used as an ingredient in perfumes. Besides its beautiful fragrance, inhaling neroli oil may help lower blood pressure by reducing cortisol, a stress hormone. Besides inhaling and diffusing essential oils, here are some other healthy lifestyle changes that I recommend for helping to reduce high blood pressure. This includes a healthy diet that is more plant-based and less of meat, and a reduction in salt intake and sweets. stress. It will also help greatly to increase physical activity as exercising helps reduce weight and stress levels as well. You may also manage stress through diffusing and getting a massage with relaxing essential oils, meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or Tai Chi. Adopting a cleaner lifestyle by quitting smoking if you smoke or reducing your alcohol intake will help as well. If you like what I have just shared, do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified of all future videos. That's all I have to share today. I really appreciate you being here today. So if you like this video, do smash the like button and share it with your friends. Have a good day and a great week ahead, and don't forget to check out my other videos.